Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and effective way to control who can mention you on Pinterest. If you want to keep your notifications focused and avoid unwanted tags, restricting mentions to only the people you follow is a great option. Let's dive right into the updated steps to make this change in the Pinterest app. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where you can manage your settings and preferences. Next, look for the option labeled Social Permissions and tap on it. This section is where Pinterest lets you control various social interactions, including who can mention you in their posts. Inside Social Permissions, find and select the @Mentions option. This is the key setting that determines who is allowed to tag you in comments, pins, or boards. Finally, you'll see different options for mentions. Choose only people you follow. This means only the Pinterest users you have chosen to follow can mention you, helping you maintain a more private and controlled experience on the platform. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily restrict mentions to just the people you follow, cutting down on unwanted notifications and making your Pinterest experience more enjoyable. Remember, keeping your social interactions tailored to your preferences helps you stay focused on the content and connections that matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.